solve the equation x raised to power 2/3 minus 2x raised to power 3rd minus 15 is equal to 0. So we are going to first of all check if this equation is reducible to quadratic in form. So how are we going to do that? We're going to do that by confirming if the first exponent, that is 2/3, is twice the second exponent. So let us check. You can write 2/3 as 2 times a third. So for sure you can see that the first exponent, 2/3, is twice a third. So if that is the case, we can rewrite this equation as x raised to power 3rd squared minus 2x raised to power 3rd minus 15 is equal to 0. So we can now let u be equal to x raised to power 1/3. Then after doing that, we can rewrite the equation in terms of u, so that we have u squared minus 2u minus 15 is equal to 0. So we have a quadratic equation in terms of u. We can solve for u using any method. Let us use a factorization method. So we're going to look for two numbers whose product is negative 15 and whose sum is negative 2. So those two numbers are negative 5 and positive 3. So just split b into negative 5 and positive 3. So you can have u squared plus 3u minus 5u minus 15 is equal to 0. So the common factor here is u. So we have u into u plus 3. So we expect u plus 3 this side. So for us to get negative 15, you have to multiply 3 by negative 5 is equal to 0. So we have u minus 5 u plus 3 is equal to 0. So this means that u is equal to 5 and u is equal to negative 3. But remember, it is not u that we're looking for. We're looking for the value of x. So let us look for the value of x when u is 5. So when u is 5, it means u, which is x power 3rd, is equal to 5. So we have x power 3rd equal to 5. So for us to get x, we just cube both sides. If we cube this side, you're going to have x. If we cube this side, you're going to have 5 cubed, which is 125. And then when u is negative 3, it means that x raised to power 3rd is equal to negative 3. So what this means is that x is equal to negative 1/3 cubed, which is negative 27. So it means x is equal to negative 27 and x is equal to 125.